I have the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, and I'll be showing you how to insert the SIM cards and the SD card. Now this phone takes two nano SIM cards and a micro SD card, but it doesn't take all of them at the same time. So let me show you what I mean. Now in the box, you do have a SIM ejector tool, but of course you can use any SIM ejector tool that you can find. So the SIM tray for this phone is at the top here, okay? And so what you need to do is simply take your SIM ejector tool, put it in the hole and push it towards the phone perpendicularly like that. The SIM tray will pop out, and of course you'll get a notification telling you to check the SIM card tray. So once it pops out like that, all you have to do is just pull it out gently like that, okay? So this is the SIM tray and the SD card tray. So here we have SIM 1, and on this other side we have SIM 2, and also we have micro SD card. Now the way this SIM tray is set up is you can either use a dual SIM setup without the SD card, or if you want to, you can have one SIM and one SD card and don't have the second SIM card. So it's either one SIM and one SD card, or two SIM cards and no SD card. That's how this is set up. And so I'll show you both ways. If you want the dual SIM option, then start with the second SIM card. So just turn it like that, and then you want to place the SIM card like this. So it's a nano SIM card. So you want to place the SIM 2 like that, push it in, make sure it snaps in place, and it's completely flush with the SIM tray, as you can see. And then you can now go ahead and insert the SIM 1, or the SIM card you intend to use as SIM 1. And for SIM 1, you need to hold it like this and place it in the SIM tray, both times with the contacts facing outwards. So you can see for SIM 1, the contacts are facing out, and SIM 2, the contacts are facing out. That leaves the SD card. So with this setup, you've chosen not to use the SD card. So hold the SIM tray like this again, and then make sure this hole aligns with this hole at the top here, okay? And then just slide the SIM tray back into the phone, and now you have your dual SIM setup without an SD card. So give it a couple of moments. There you go. So now as you can see, we have SIM 1 and SIM 2, okay? Already you have text messages going in. So SIM 1 and SIM 2, everything's all set up, and you can do the SIM card management later. Now I'll show you how to go through the other process. So if you prefer the single SIM and SD card setup, here's what to do. Now remove the SIM tray, and then you want to get rid of SIM 2. So just remove it from the tray like that. And then now without the SIM 2, you have space to insert the SD card, okay? So the SD card is inserted like this. There you go. So just give it a bit of pressure to make sure it sticks into the SIM card tray, and again it should be completely flush with the SIM tray, okay? Once you do that, then you can now pick up your phone once again and insert the SIM tray back into the phone with SIM 1 and an SD card. So you won't have a dual SIM setup with this one. So there you go. So you can see SIM 1 has been detected. There's no SIM 2, but you do get an SD card. So if you scroll, you should see SD card inserted. You can open it, and there is your SD card. So that's basically how to insert the SIM card or SIM cards and SD card into your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.